Hey, people of YouTube and whoever's going to watch this, I put an egg in a microwave, and we're going to see what happened. So I'm going to kind of back up. I'm not supposed to, I don't know what's going to happen. I honestly don't know what's going to happen. It's been there for about a minute now. I just decided to put this on YouTube for no reason. So we're going to see what happens. I hope this doesn't explode the microwave. You know what? I'm kind of scared. So I'm just going to... Exploded! Oh, that... Holy crap! Well, that's what happens when you put an egg in the microwave. It explodes. It only took it a minute. Try and get this wrapper crap off. I was going to turn it off. Turn. Okay, there we go. Okay, we're back. And, yeah, ew. Whew, so it's, falling off the screen there. Hold on. Yep, there we go. Well, it kinda exploded all around. So, that's it, YouTube. And peace out.